Hey guys, what's up? So the MSC event is finally here and many are asking if they can get Pharsa'S skin for free. Can you collect 25,900 badges without spending diamonds? To answer that, we'll have to check the rules. So these are the maximum obtainable MSC coins you can get, and it can give a total of 47,800 coins. But since you plan on going free, I'll have to remove this part because it's the bonus coins you get after buying a pass. Next, we'll remove these guessing events because we all know that you suck at predicting matches. And then, we'll remove these rank boost coins because this is based on winning ranked games. We know you're a Hanabi main, so your chances to get coins are pretty bad. And there you go. Total coins you can get is less than 25,900, which means you can't get Pharsa for free. But that's just the minimum. What if, by some dumb luck, you correctly guessed maybe 1 out of every 4 MSC matches? Now you might get extra coins like this. And then, somehow you got paired with good teammates and win maybe 1 in every 4 ranked games. Now you get a few more to this part. Lastly, if by some miracle, you correctly predicted the champion team of MSC, you can add 2,000 more coins. And now you have enough coins to get Pharsa'S time-limited MSC skin. Pretty easy, right? Or you can just buy it for 899 diamonds. You get double coins and also Jawhead skin because it only costs 18,500 coins. Anyway, let's check out the skin effects.
I am driven by revenge. My world is the sky. You don't know how close.
I'd say the effects are pretty good. It's almost better than her collector skin. So what can you say about the skin? Who do you think will bring home the trophy this time? Share it in the comment section. That's all for this video. Stay safe and thank you for watching.